Okay, this is our Mentos soda geyser kits. Came from Amazon. Basically, it's just we use 2 litre bottle of diet soda rather than sticky, but it has no sugar. We have a couple of components. So this is mainly looking at variables in the Year 8 project, student research project, just to give them an idea of things they could do. So the Mentos go in here, and you put either variety of Mentos, or you can change the caps. We've got a different number of different types of holes and caps that you could be using. The cap just screws off, gives you access to change that, and you're looking at a dependent variable of the height of the fountain that comes out of this device. Okay, and that's the other part. And after you've put those in, you close the red hole and screw it onto your bottle, and then release that, Mentos fall in, and you've got your fountain. So you need to either video it from a distance with a meter ruler next to it, or scale. We mark scales on the pylons just around the drain, so that anything we do use will go down the drain. Important for working out variables, which one is affecting the height. If you change 2 variables, and it's a good way to point out to the kids, you don't know which one has affected the height. So you might have different size bottles, different brands, different lid designs, a different number of Mentos in the cap. And there's a whole range of different things you could use. Temperature of the Coke, cold versus hot. And once again, quite a good experiment to look at variables, and changing one variable has an effect. Changing 2 variables, you can't really determine which one is affecting the final outcome. Good for independent variables, and that cause and effect idea for Year 8 students, but also Year 10, just to revise the scientific method. Quite a good experiment. And that's, once again, geyser tube, and it uses Mentos. It's also something you can, if you have this on the bottle, when it's finished, you can turn the bottle upside down, the Mentos will fall in, the Coke will drain, and then you can reuse your Mentos in that bottle, in that device here, this geyser tube. Okay, not very expensive. I think it was about $5 on Amazon.